Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to convert PNG file to vector here in Adobe Illustrator. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, click on File. Now go ahead and click on Place. Right here, select the PNG file. Click on Place. Now just draw it, okay? And then once that's done, while it's highlighted, go to the top, click on Window, and here find Image Trace, just like so. If it got colors, make sure that it is set to color right here. If it's only black and white, well, select black and white. If grayscaled, select grayscale. Okay? You can check the view right here with tracing results with outlines, or just leave it to tracing results. And once that's done, you can click on preview right here if you want to. Okay? If not, just stop it and just click on trace. Just like so. Wait for it and just click on close. Now go ahead and go to your object right here, and then just find again image trace. Now this time click on expand. And then once that's done, just wait for it, okay? And then after that, you'll now be able to see under properties right here that you can ungroup it or ungroup each object, okay? So ungroup it, you can hold control or the control key on your keyboard, and you'll be able to see a ton of points, anchors, or path, okay? If you want to, you can double click on an object and move it away. Also this one, just like so. All right. And that's how easy it is to convert a PNG file to vector here in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.